In today's video, I'm going to teach you an introduction of Jira Automation. Jira Automation is a native no-code engine built directly into the platform, and it's designed to help eliminate repetitive manual tasks. If you find yourself doing the same actions over and over again, like updating issues, assigning work, or sending notifications, automation can save time and help your team stay consistent. To get started, navigate to your project and select Automation from the left side navigation panel. In some project views, you may instead need to click the three dots. Open Space Settings and then click Automation. Depending on your setup, the path may look slightly different. But the goal is the same: open the automation area for your project. Once you are there, you will have a choice. You can browse the template library if you want a faster starting point. Or you can click Create Flow to build a custom automation from scratch. Templates are useful if you want inspiration or a ready-made structure, while a custom flow gives you full control over how the rule works. From here, you'll configure the three core parts of your automation: triggers, conditions, and actions. Understanding these is the key to building effective rules. Triggers are the events that start the automation. In other words, this is what kicks off the rule. For example, a trigger could be an issue being created, a sprint starting, or a file being attached. Think of the trigger as the moment Jira begins paying attention and starts the workflow you've defined. Next are conditions. Conditions act like filters that decide whether the rule should continue running. They help refine the logic so the automation only happens in the right situations. For example, you might check whether the issue priority is set to high, or whether the assignee belongs to a specific team. This helps prevent unnecessary or incorrect actions. Then come actions. Actions are the tasks Jira performs after the trigger happens and the conditions are met. For example, an action might automatically assign a ticket, transition it to a different column, or send a notification. This is the part where the actual work gets done for you. As you build, take a moment to review your rule carefully so the trigger, conditions, and actions all connect logically. A clear setup will make your automation more reliable and easier to manage later. When everything looks correct, click Save, and then Enable to deploy the automation. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.